Hey, it's the Killer Rich 51 back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone XR. So you can pick it up on Apple's website, links are in the description. So you get 3 capacity, 64, 128, and the big boy 256 gigs. So you get 6 colors to choose from. So you get white, black, blue, yellow, coral, and product red. So the one that I have is product red, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So like I said, I got the product red. As you see, I got the 128 gigs. So now let's go ahead and take off this plastic here. And now let's go ahead and lift the lid. Okay. So right off the bat, we get designed by Apple in California. So let's see what we get. So we get Apple stickers, of course. We get iPhone info. We get SIM ejection tool. And then we get hello. And then we get a product red card. So that's what we get. So here is the device itself. Whoa, it feels kind of weird holding this, but yeah, so this is product red, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and take this plastic off here. Okay, so the plastic is off, so let's go ahead and power it on, see if we have any juice. And right off the bat we have juice. So let me go ahead and turn this light bright down. So what else we get is, of course, ear pods. As you see, no dongle. So this is the lightning adapter status. And we get our charging brick. And then, of course, we get our lightning cable, as you can see here. Okay, so that's all we get. So now let's put these boxes to the side here. Okay. So here's the iPhone. So right off the bat, looks pretty cool. I like this red color, it looks pretty awesome. So yeah, so let's compare it to the 6S that I have. So let me go ahead and take it off its case here. Okay, so here's my 6S. You guys know I've been using this for the last few months or years, however you want to say it. And now let's go ahead and compare it. And whoa, this thing is gigantic. So as you see, so yeah, so the XR is a little bigger. It's actually a little taller than the 6S. As you see, it's a little bit wider. And so yeah, so let's compare it to the iPhone 5 as well. So let me go ahead and take off the case that's on my iPhone 5. And as you see back there, there's the 5S. Don't need to compare it to that as well, because the iPhone 5 and the 5S is the same size. So as you can see, it's quite a bit big. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is pause the video, and I'm gonna drop my information in, and I'll come right back. So we back now, and just put my information in the phone. Been playing around for a few minutes. Fresh out of the box, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 10. First thing first, build quality, I give this an A1, so it's through the roof. Now, of course, it has wireless charging, so let's go ahead and show you. As you can see, so let me try to pick up my device here. As you see, it's charging. So now it has wireless charging. So now let's go over the basic stuff. Of course, we have Face ID instead of Touch ID. So how you get to your control center, all you do is just swipe down on the right hand corner. As you see, if you want your notification, you swipe on the left or the center, as you see there. Okay. So how you take a screenshot, all you do is just hold the side and the volume up. So that's how you take a screenshot, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and delete that screenshot. So how you power it down, all you have to do is hold the side button, volume up or volume down, just to power it off. So as you can see, you get the power down menu. So let's go ahead and hit cancel. Of course, if you hit cancel, you're gonna have to enter in your password. And so yeah, so let's go over the camera now. So the camera looks pretty cool. So let's do a point and shoot. So as you can see, I just did a point and shoot status. Looks pretty awesome. So now let's go ahead and show you the dual speakers on this. So I'll be right back. Hold on. Alright, so let's check out this dual banging speaker. So max volume here. So pretty cool speakers, dual banging speakers, and so yeah. So now let me show you the accessories that I got. So the first thing that I got is a tempered glass screen protector, which is a privacy screen protector. So as you can see, I have it on right now. So it's by, I forgot who's it by, but yeah, so that's the screen protector. And I also have a case here. So this case is by Spigen, of course. As you can see, this is the Tough Armor. And then of course, let's slap it on. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. And then of course, it has wireless charging as well. Boom. So let me go ahead and show you, as you can see. And so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my iPhone XR. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.